Welcome to the Essential Guide on boosting your home network security. We're diving into 5 crucial router settings you need to change immediately. Your router is the gateway to your digital life. Ensuring its security is the first and most important line of defense against cyber threats. A poorly configured router can be an open invitation for hackers. We'll show you simple changes that make a huge difference in protecting your network and personal data. The 5 settings we'll cover include changing your default password, disabling remote management, updating firmware, changing the default network name, and enabling WPA3. The very first step is changing your router's default login password. These are often generic and publicly known, making them an easy target for attackers. A strong password means a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Never use personal information or easily guessable words. Next, let's talk about remote management, a feature that often poses a significant security risk if left enabled. Remote management allows you to access your router settings from outside your home network. Unless absolutely necessary, disable it to prevent unauthorized external access to your configuration. Keeping your router's firmware up to date is non-negotiable for security and performance. Firmware updates often include crucial security patches that fix vulnerabilities hackers exploit. Check your router manufacturer's website regularly, or look for an automatic update feature in your settings. The fourth vital step is changing your Wi-Fi network's name, or SSID, from the factory default. Default SSIDs often reveal the router's make and model, giving hackers clues about potential vulnerabilities. Choose a unique, non-identifying name for your network. Finally, we come to encryption. If your router supports it, enable WPA3 immediately. WPA3 is the latest and strongest Wi-Fi security protocol, offering significantly better protection against password-guessing attacks compared to older standards like WPA2. By implementing these 5 changes, you will drastically improve the security of your home network and reduce the risk of unauthorized access. Remember to check your router settings regularly and stay informed about the latest security practices. Vigilance is your best defense in the digital world. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more essential tech tips. Thanks for watching, and stay secure.